Hey guys, Ross here, and I'm just going to show you which apps I install on every store that I start and exactly how I go about installing them. So let's get right to it. You see we are on the store that we started up a couple videos ago. So we're just going to click on apps right here on the bottom left, and we're going to click visit the Shopify App Store. Now there are four main apps that I install. The first one is Oberlo. So that's spelled Oberlo. By the way, all the links to these apps are going to be in my description of my video. So let's just click on Oberlo right here. And we click on Add App. Now what Oberlo does, since we are drop shipping from a website called AliExpress, which I'll show you in the future, this app makes it really easy for you to import products to your store. So if you find something you want to sell, like a necklace or a cup holder or something, we can literally go to that product and there'll just be a button that appears on it. We can click it and it takes it straight to our store so that we can sell it to other people. So that's why we want to install this free app. It's amazing. It's awesome. It makes this business so much easier. Next, we're going to visit the store again, and we're going to look for an app called Loox. Loox, spelled Loox, is a reviews app. It lets people post reviews on your products. It also lets you put reviews on your products. So you can literally make a product look really good. You know, we'll find real reviews and then we'll add them to our own products to show that it's, that people love it. So we're gonna click add app right here. And this app, it does cost $9.99 per month, but it gives you a 2-week free trial. So we're just going to the way the trials work with Shopify apps, if you uninstall the application before the trial period is up, you don't get charged anything. So right here, I'm clicking on start 15-day trial, as you probably saw. And then it just asks for permission. Oh, it's a 15-day trial. Look at that. It asks for permission to charge us $9.99 every 30 days. If you're not making money by the time 15-day trial is up, then absolutely get rid of it. But I guarantee you follow these steps, you'll be making plenty of money to spend $10 a month on this app. And having reviews on your products are ridiculously important. People only trust products with really good reviews. So when we're setting this up, we want to click on settings right here. And all we're going to do, we're going to scroll down. You see it says general settings, discount details, request email, blah, blah, blah. We want to go to appearance right here. So we can just go right here where it says review dates and make sure they're set to hidden. Usually it's set to shown, but make sure it's set to hidden, right? That way, if we add like 5 reviews on day 1 just to make our product look good, then it will the date that the review was added will not show up. So that's really awesome. So let's X out of this, go back to the App Store. All right, next app we're going to get is called Coin. Coin is a currency converter. What that means is people can come from all over the world to your website and it will show them, instead of showing them US dollars, which is how I always set it up, it will show them the currency of their country. So it's pretty awesome. It makes it way easier to get international sales, which is actually a very lucrative market. So let's click on this first one, Coin Currency Converter. We're just going to click add app. Again, you see this is $4.99 a month after a 30-day trial. You have a whole month to have this make you money. Okay, so don't worry about the pricing. We can always uninstall it if you're not making money, and you won't get charged anything if it's before 30 days. And the way I set up a store, I literally take 2 to 4 hours and I just launch it. Like I will know within 2 or 3 days whether it's making me money, and then I can just kill all the apps if it's not. But I've actually I've had to do that a total of once. That was, why was that? I'll get into that later. Basically, I started a store and I targeted it very, very wrong because I was just testing something new, and I shut it all down and I didn't spend any money on apps because I just ended them all before the trial. But anyway, so now we're going to click start free trial right here. And the way you're charged for these, by the way, it rolls into your Shopify bill. So when Shopify charges you for your Shopify store, it'll just also tack on the app charges. That way it makes it so simple. You don't have to keep track of different apps to have your credit card or something like that. It's all in Shopify. So if you remove an app from Shopify, that charge falls off of your bill. Now to install Coin, we actually have to follow some steps. So we click on Get Started Guide right here. And now we're going to come back here and we're going to click on Settings. And once you click on Settings, click on General right here. We're going to scroll all the way down once it loads. We're going to scroll all the way down where it says store currency. We're going to click on change formatting. Now we're going to go back to this tab with the getting started guide. We're going to scroll right down here. You see it says coin dashboard. Just click on this link right here. It says coin install steps. I'm going to X this one out. So since we're here, all we have to do, we scroll down where it says step 3 and you see it says HTML with currency. Click this little button right here on the right. That copies all this code. We click on here, and now right here where it says HTML with currency, we're going to backspace what's currently there, and then we're going to just paste in the new code. And we're going to do the same thing here. You see we go here and it says HTML without currency. So we're going to click this button to copy it. We come back here and we're just going to backspace this and then paste it right there. Okay, now all we have to do is, it looks like we don't even have to click save because the save button is grayed out. So let me refresh it really quick, make sure it still shows the same code. I think it does. If I change formatting, yeah, that's the right code. So that is what we had to do to enable coin. So now we can X out of that, and like I said, this just means that it'll show different currencies for different countries. The last app we're going to install right now, let's go to the App Store. That every now and then there's a little error message. That's fine though. Okay, now I really don't know what to do. Let me refresh. Okay, so it says admin App Store. I'm going to just remove that. Who even knows, right? Sometimes Shopify is a little buggy. That's okay though. We're going to click on apps right here. And we're going to click on visit the Shopify App Store. And there we go. It's working again. So let's just look for discounted upsells. Now an upsell or a cross sell, well, let's see, there's two different things actually. An upsell is when someone adds a product, right? Let's say you're selling a hoodie and they add that hoodie to their cart, right? Then an upsell is something that pops up and says, well, if you like the hoodie, maybe you'd like this more expensive jacket. And then, you know, people might buy the jacket and that way they end up spending more money in your store. A cross sell is when somebody adds something to their cart, like a hoodie, and you say, hey, add this additional item that goes with it, maybe like a beanie hat or something like that, right? So that way, you know, that way they end up spending more money in your store, even though they didn't intend to when they came here. So this app, discounted upsells, we're just going to click add app. This one allows you to do that thing where it pops up and says, hey, get this other thing, spend more money on us. And from what I've seen, almost half of the people that come through any of my stores or any of my students' stores end up using the upsell, which means that the order value increases by 50 to 100% each time. I've seen it double in some cases, just from people grabbing additional upsells. I literally have one store where I sell a product for $19.99, and the upsell I have changes it to $64.99, and my total cost of goods barely goes up at all. So I end up making an additional $45 off of people that originally thought they were going to spend like 20 bucks just because of this app. So it's amazing. You have to have it. It has a 7-day trial, so we have 1 week for it to pay for itself. After that, it's $19.99 a month. It is not a big deal. Get it, get it, get it. You need it. Seriously, this app's amazing, and actually it's got a bug, so I'm developing my own, but that's, you know, that's a thing we'll worry about in the future. All right, we're not gonna set it up right now. Okay, so now if I refresh right here, you're gonna see that we have the 4 apps that we just set up. Coin by ShopPad, discounted upsells, cross sell and upsell, looks, photo reviews, and Oberlo. Those are the 4 apps I always start a store with. I do not launch a store without installing these apps. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely let me know in the comments if you had any questions about anything and what sort of videos you want me to do next. I'm really trying to do videos that go really in depth and help people get their store from zero to launch, and then from there actually start making money. So let me know. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.